Traders, I am looking at gold at the moment. Okay, there's one thing about this is reaching into all-time highs right now. Okay, it's well and truly overextended in my opinion. So we'll go down the time frames and I'll give you my take on, well, we'll have a look at the weekly, daily, then we'll go down. Okay, so see how this is pushed up with a vengeance. It's reaching into levels that it hasn't touched, and we don't see any decent pullbacks. There's no red candles. Let's have a look at this on the daily. Yeah, same thing, right? So I'm always looking for extension, retrace, extension, retrace. Price extends and it retraces, extends, retraces. All right, at the moment on the daily time frame, I mean even from this low here, that's not out of the question. So just be really careful. At this point, I wouldn't be buying into the highs. Let's have a look at it on the 4H. My game plan with this is going to be these lows here, and this is always my strategy unless I'm counter trend scalping. Let me just get rid of that. I'm meant to pick up the Fibonacci, low to high, retrace. Okay, low to high, retrace. I need a pullback, guys. I want to see it move into this 50% of this previous price swing here, and that's where I'll be looking for an entry. Now we go down the time frames, go down to a 15M. Right, that's my game plan with this at the moment. So there's a couple of things about this. We've got this move right all the way to this high here. We have a imbalance right there. Well, it's already pushed into half, 50% of it, I guess. Let's have a look at it on the 1H. Just looking for an imbalance. Yeah, here we go. Look. So the 1 hour time frame imbalance coincides with my 50 to 61.8 retrace liquidity. That one. All right. So this is a target for me to enter long. Now I want to see it trade back. Let's just have a look at it on the 15-minute. I really want to see this shift gears. Now we've got this range. Now a possible run on stops. I would like to see that, and then wherever this finds support, I'm going to be looking to buy. Now, I mean, that could happen here. It could happen a bit lower. It could, and it could be aggressive, guys. It could be aggressive. It could reach for these stops under here. So just be really careful. But, that's the game plan. Wherever this price action sets up, in other words, it ranges, and then we see a bullish break of structure. That would be my call for an entry. All right, so that's my take on gold, guys. Definitely leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Other opinions are always really valuable. So leave a comment, and with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.